Israelis will no longer be able to order a private ride on smartphone app Uber after a Tel Aviv court on Monday issued an injunction against the company. Tel Aviv District Court Chief Justice Eitan Orenstein said that without proper travel insurance, Uber would have to stop its private vehicles from ferrying passengers in the country within 2 days. Be the first to know. Join our Facebook page. Function D S ID var JS FJS equal D get elements tag name S 0 if D get element bid ID return JS equal D create element S JS.id equal ID JSSRC equal / connect facebook.net / n_us / all JS number XFBML equal 1 and app ID equal 1634148068997 FJS parent node insert before JS FJS document script Facebook JS SDK. If they won't get insurance, I won't let them drive a meter, Orenstein said, according to the court transcript. It remains illegal for unregistered private drivers to ferry passengers in return for payment, as many of the private Uber drivers operate without studying safety regulations and undergoing stringent testing. A month and a half ago, Uber Day and Uber Night expanded their services in the Tel Aviv area, which operate 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's a boon to passengers, since public transit doesn't run on the Jewish Sabbath, religious holidays, and late at night. The convenience factor of tapping on your phone has lured tens millions of riders worldwide to use Uber. In Israel, people can order taxi rides on their phones via Get. Unlike in New York City where most taxis aren't connected to an smartphone app. The transportation regulations were drafted in the 1960s and they haven't been updated. Before cell phones and technology, Uber Israel CEO Yoni Griefman told the Jerusalem Post earlier this month. We are trying to operate within the correct regulation, but in a regulatory world that doesn't suit the current reality. It's going to be absurd if we're startup nation and we're at the forefront of automotive technologies but we can't get Uber taxi drivers, along with the Transportation Ministry and Minister Israel Katz, have been fighting the ride-hailing giant for years, in an attempt to prevent the company from entering the Israeli market. They cite the lack of safety regulations and how Uber drivers can operate without being tested, along with fears that Uber would push rates to the door, preventing them from earning a living wage. Get Taxi and the Association of Taxi Drivers had filed suit against the company. In May, the Transportation Ministry filed an indictment against Uber after conducting a covert investigation alleging that it had transported passengers without a permit. Uber has faced scrutiny from regulators worldwide. Neither the company nor the Transportation Ministry were able to reach. As of press time. Founded in 2009, Uber already offers services in more than 600 cities worldwide. In September, the company was banned from operating in London for flouting safety regulations. The company had revenues of some $6.5 billion in 2016. Share on Facebook, share on Twitter tags, court Uber cars ride sharing.